Well, I'm not coming over. If you think I'm coming over where there's sinking sand, you've got another thing coming, dream on. Oh, this is a bit of concrete, is it? You're in sinking sand. Well, it looks like it, doesn't it? Well, I suggest you do think about it. Well, where's Saul? Over there. Oh, dear. What's Falcon found? Falcon? I'm more bothered about what the dog's doing. So, qu'est-ce que tu manges? C'est pas bon, ça. I don't want you breaking your teeth on shells. What is it he's found?
I'm gonna go to that wall.
Hey? Oh, Colwyn Bay, anyway. Oh, the woofers. Right, well, let's see who's sunken. Where have you been sinking?
I'm actually sinking. I can't get
It's
out.
there's a terminology's wrong.
Oh no, get off.
Well, actually, it's just well, you're only up to your thighs. No, not exactly.
What do you mean?
No, it isn't.
I'm sinking.
Yes, well,
Please, I can't.
it's a bit whiffy. It's just natural sludge. But I mean, I'm not sinking, so I'm all right.
Please, just give me a hand.
Well, right, as long as I don't get my feet wet.
Oh my goodness.
But there we go, child. Pull up, lift 1 foot up.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
No.
Can you do something for Saul? Can you free one of her feet?
No.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand, girl.
No.
Now, up it comes. We're gonna pull her out. Pull her foot out. Pull her foot out. Oh, God, useless creature. There we are. Right, you dirty creature. You're going to need a bath tonight. Well, I mean, now he's gone in the hole. Oh.
Hello.
Oh.
Wait. Can I say something to the YouTubers?
Well, yes, you can if you like.
I like horses.
Oh, dear. Here we go. Horse abuser. Dear. Ah! Oi! Do you realise you kicked a load of mud on my T-shirt? Look at that.
It's not you.
Yes, you did. You just kicked a load of mud on my T-shirt and my lens. You should... You horrid creature. Look at that filthy little creatures. Yes, well, you'll get stuck. Yeah, I think it's dead. I think it's dead if it's here. They would be swimming somewhere else if it was alive. I don't think it would be wanting near be you knew you lot. Oh no.
They doesn't hurt me.
Well, I wouldn't bother touching it just in case. Oh. Oh. Colwyn Bay, anyway. Very good place if you don't get kicked sand at. Sinking sands. I can't remember what they call it. There's a special term. I don't think it's sinking sand. That black isn't sludge. It's just an oil. It's just sludge.
What about if we jump it in? 3, 2.
There's an awful lot of...
Go!
You don't know to spend any money on kids. You just give them a load of sludgy sand. Hey?
Jellyfish!
Jellyfish, eh? Oh, filthy little thing. Oi, don't you lose my walking stick. Well, never mind about the jellyfish. I'm bothered about my walking stick not being lost.
My foot!
Yes, well, you won't. You'll get stuck in a minute. I'm not coming out. I'm not getting my feet wet. Oh, dear.
Jellyfish!
What about my walking stick? Look at that. Oh, just careless creatures. Walking stick. My favourite walking stick as well. Right, oh, a very nice place. Oh, it's very quiet for the hottest days of the year. It's supposed to be Monday, the hottest. Oh, yes. Much very good at Colwyn Bay. They don't enforce all this dogs off beaches nonsense here.
It's actually alive! Oh, I'm gonna get you!
What have you
I
got?
found a real life crab.
Oh, poor little thing. Don't hurt it. Is it alive? Where you taking it? Not there. No, it'll dry out. Girl. Child. Don't put it there. He needs to go back in the water. Huh. Is he in water?
Yeah.
Good. Well, he's all right if he's in water. No, you can't keep him.
I'm going to keep you, mister.
Put him down. Put him down now. Leave him alone. You've probably frightened him to death.
He's 6 years old. Leave him alone.
Eh?
He's 6 years old.
I'm on about what? Who's 6 years old?
Hey, Mr. Crab's alone from...
Oh, who's 6 years old? Put him back in the water. You horrid little thing. Wood. Where's the other one? Oh, he's on the pier. That's all right. Hey, that's a good girl. Well done. Well done. 6 years old. Like a 6-year-old crab to me. Oh.